Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to Obsidian notes. So I will show you here the quickest way. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now what syntax we will use is this one right here. Now it will immediately follow by your category word. So you must include a space before the hashtag, but there can be no space inside the tag itself. So first example, let's say research, and we have now the tag. Now we can also do this is a marketing project. As you can see, we have a tag inside it. Okay, we can also do that. We can also do that. You can create a hierarchical folder structure inside a single tag by using a /. So this is highly useful for organizing broad topics. So we can go with projects, and then we have /, and active. Then we have projects and something like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can add text to Obsidian Notes. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the